And my dear friends, good morning to all of you. Today I've got a golden chance to speak on a topic on the sport, and the topic is what is the pros and cons of coronavirus or COVID-19, we can say. So after coming the coronavirus, what we feel, what we have faced in our society, so I'm gonna tell you each and everything one by one. So first I want to tell you the reason that's why people are saying coronavirus is very dangerous virus. Why this is very dangerous? Because there are lots of things which is very dangerous for our society, but you know, coronavirus was the only one thing. Even it is in our society right now, even in India there are lots of corona cases are recorded nowadays. So I can't say this has totally gone from the earth. No, this is not totally erased from our earth. So here we are facing the coronavirus problem nowadays as well. But why it is taking, why people are taking it is very serious, because the coronavirus has the only one virus till now on the earth, though for which the people has died in a large number of people has died, you know, for the coronavirus. So people think that if we are dying, if we are not finding the solution, how can we remove the coronavirus totally? So definitely it is dangerous for us, because I want to tell you, you know, the cancer is a very harmful disease, but the people are able to treat the cancer. That's why people think that this is not too much dangerous for our society. But in the case of coronavirus, we are not able to treat the people. If a people has coronavirus, so at that time you can't remove it totally. You will have to give the, you know, antiviruses things. That's why you can just fight the coronavirus inside your body, within your body. So at that in this type of thing you can do with the people, and you can remove the coronavirus from the body. So what is virus and what there are two types of diseases happens with us. I want to tell you, one from the bacteria and one from the viruses. So the diseases which comes from the bacteria, we can just remove it, we can just treat the diseases by killing the bacteria inside the body. But there is no any solution to kill the viruses inside our body. If you want to kill the coronavirus outside, even the coronavirus is in my hand, so I can just kill it by the using any types of, you know, drugs, any types of, there are lots of things that we can kill outside of our body, but inside our body it is not possible to kill. So here I want to tell you, this is the dangerous thing about the virus, that we are unable to kill these all things within our body. So for this reason coronavirus becomes the largest, or we can say dangerous things for our society. Also I want to tell you about the pros. What was the pros after coming the coronavirus? So here first thing, as we can see about the environment, if you see the condition of Delhi, then there was lots of pollution in air in Delhi, but after coming the coronavirus, the environment was totally cleared. Why? Because people were not using the bikes, people were not going outside of their home, people were not you know, making their city or making their environment dirty. So after that you can say the nature has created a thing for you all to punish the people, because you have made the our environment, you have made our environment very dirty. So just you can say this was the natural thing that happens, that should be happened with you. So I can say that this was the good thing which is happened in our society, and this was very needed, because as I feel about, when I say you about the reason why the global warming happens, so there are lots of things. If the global warming happens in our area or in our earth, so there is no any solution to you know, remove it, to treat it, because this is the part of our you can say atmosphere. So there is a gas in atmosphere which is CO2, you know very well, carbon dioxide, SO2, sulfur dioxide. So you know very well about that all thing. So when the amount of that all gases increase in our environment, that time the part of O3, you know, ozone layer, the part of O3 has totally decreases, and for this reason we can say the level of sea level, the water of sea level increased day by day, and for this reason we can say the people are facing who is living in the coastal area, like in the outside of the sea, you know, they are facing the problem, they are facing the tsunamis like problem, they are facing the you know, we can say earthquake like problem. Why these all things are happening? By the help by only reason is that global warming. I want to say one more thing about the urbanization, globalization, what has happened to that all things. So this was the cons that was happened, because when coronavirus came to our society, we all are closed inside our room, inside our home. We are not able to do anything. But on the other hand, we can say inside our room, just like I am recording the video right now, so this was started in the corona period, right? Because people were not taking it serious, that we can record a video and we can send it to any people, and we can upload it on the social media and we will get the lots of money. But after coming the coronavirus, people had to do it. People don't never wanted to do it, but people had to do it. And after doing this, they realized that this is the good thing where I can make lots of money, you know. So I can say this was the thing, this was the reason. That's why people came to social media and people show their talent. Nowadays we have lots of good teachers. Even we can say about the Khan sir, about the physics wala. Why we know about that all person? Because only social media, and they came social media because of coronavirus. If the thing that there was no any coronavirus, no teachers wanted to teach online. They all think that no, I am teaching in my area, this is good for me, this is enough for me. But just think that if they have call here, if they have comes in social media, so now we are able to even the prepare for the examination of PPSC from here, from your village, you know. So I think this is very good thing which happened for the coronavirus, and this is the pros of coronavirus. And cons, you know very well, there are lots of people, those who have left their family member, left their friends, you know. So this was the very bad thing, this was a very scary thing which happened after coming coronavirus. So that's all about the coronavirus and about the pros and cons of coronavirus. Thanks for listening to me carefully.